Hello everyone, today I will show you how to craft video in DaVinci Resolve. And here's how it is done. Add the video to timeline. Drag your video to the media pool, then onto the timeline. With the video selected, click Inspector in the top right corner. Click on the cropping tab under Transform. Use the sliders left, right, top, bottom to crop your video. The softness slider adds a feather effect to the crop edges. Enable the anchor point to move or rotate the crop box. Avoid corner controls to prevent stretching. Check retain image position to keep the video centered when adjusting the crop. To crop without black borders, use the zoom and position controls instead of cropping slide bars. That is everything you know about how to crop video in DaVinci Resolve. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.